guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you may know already, my name is Diana. I'm an affiliate marketer and I'm here to help you make things happen. I'm here to teach you how you can succeed in this business. Welcome to video number 5 already, of the Affiliate Marketing Basics series. This is a complete beginner's tutorial on affiliate marketing, so make sure you watch the first videos of the series so you don't miss anything. Okay, so in this video, we're going to cover off everything about emails, why we use them, the email process, autoresponders, broadcasting and campaigns, and subject lines. So let's start with this. Why are emails so important for affiliate marketing? I gave a couple of reasons in my last video on how and why it is so important, and here are some extra facts. There are 3.9 billion daily email users, and for marketers is actually the biggest source of return on investment. You almost don't have to invest on them. Just to give you some numbers, 78% of marketers have seen results and increase in email engagement over the last 12 months with this. So this is actually effective. This is an actually great tool for the business. Okay, but how's the email process? Let's go back a little bit. In our last video, we talked about the importance of getting your subscribers or customers' email addresses right. So what we need to do is we need to create a page where you can capture those emails. These pages are sometimes referred to as squeeze pages, lead pages, or even capture pages. On that page, you will capture the lead's email address. Here's an example of a lead page. And here's another one. There are different styles, but the goal is the same one. As I mentioned you before, a good way to encourage people to give you their email is to use a lead magnet. We're going to talk about lead magnets on the next video, so don't worry. Once you've got the email, it will be sent to your autoresponder. You will set up your autoresponder so that the email address will go to a particular list, the ones you choose according to your strategy. So for example, I created a list called New Lead for Product X. And every time someone subscribes in my squeeze page, that email will be uploaded to the list. With the list, you then create a couple of emails and you will email your prospect consistently. Okay, so I mentioned autoresponders, right? Autoresponders are applications that store and manage your contacts and email list. This actually is a great tool for marketers. They respond automatically to any given trigger. A trigger might be when someone enters details on your lead page. So for instance, when that happens, the autoresponder will add the email address to a specific list. You can then have multiple lists in your autoresponder, and that way you can track where your leads are coming from. You can manage your emails, the emails that you will send them, and you can further target your marketing. Okay, so a simple trigger can be multiple actions. For example, on sign up, a person not only gets added to a list, but they may also receive a welcome email, for example. Another trigger might be, let's assume that a certain amount of time has elapsed since the last action. For example, after a set of number of hours, the next email in the sequence is sent. Another trigger might be an unsubscribe request, at which point the email address is automatically removed from your list. You can set them the way you want to, so they actually can work for you. There are a lot of autoresponders on the market. You need to do your research. The cost can vary depending on how many people are on your list, but there are free options out there that are perfectly fine when you're just starting out. So you gotta check what functionality each solution offers, and you gotta pick the one that actually suits you best. I actually use GetResponse, and below the video, I'm gonna give you a link so you can start using it yourself. Okay, so keep in mind that they are broadcast and campaign emails. A broadcast email outruns a newsletter trend to be a standalone point-in-time email. By this, I mean that the email goes out independently of any sequence or automated trigger. For example, you may wish to send a Black Friday special offer. This email will be independent of any other campaign that you're running. The campaign is an email in a sequence of emails belonging to a single campaign. These emails follow a predefined sequence based on events. A typical sequence might begin on day 1 when someone signs up. Then an automated welcome email is sent, maybe telling them how to download the lead magnet. After an hour has passed, a follow-up email can be sent. It does not matter on what date or on when, because actually day one starts as each subscriber is new to your list. On day 2, you might send a new email telling them a story about your experience, for instance, and then you can send them a follow-up email, maybe asking if they already downloaded the lead magnet. So as you can see, you are building like a complete sequence of emails for your customers. Continue with that example. On day 3, you can give them another free gift in the morning, and then later in the day, you can send them a different email just for the ones who have not opened the morning email. So clearly, the most important thing with email marketing is to get people to open and read your emails. And here is where the subject lines are key to this. The only purpose of the subject line should be to provoke the recipient to open and read your email. So asking questions in your subject line is a good tactic. Something like, can you use an extra 1K a month? Can you use an extra 500 a week? And needle suspense questions where you don't actually finish the question are great too. You leave it hanging, something like, can it really be this easy? People immediately want to know what this is. What is it that you're talking about? So they are going to open the email. Other good subject lines are how and how-to statements. A good example might be how you can partner with me to make 1,000 a month in your spare time, for instance. These subject lines are really important because everyone wants to be led into the secret. So secrets revealed makes good subject lines too. Something like the secret to online success, for instance. And cause and effect subject lines are effective too. Something like follow these 3 steps to double your income, or follow these steps to make money working from home. As we've talked in this video, a key skill in affiliate marketing is mastering your email marketing. So make sure you learn how to do this. And if you want to learn different skill set that you actually need in order to succeed in this business, take a look at the description I have here in the video, because there's a great course, actually the training I took, that give me all the necessary tools to start this. I hope you find this video useful. Remember to check my social media accounts on the link I have in my channel for a free detailed ebook on how to get started. As always, if you have any question, leave them in the comment section. And if you like this video and want to learn more ways on how to make money online, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, let's make things happen. Bye.